Children, open page number 187. Page number 187. Now we will be going to see about Africa. Africa is the second largest continent. Africa is the second largest continent. The Mediterranean Sea lies to the north. To the east lies the Indian Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. The equator passes through the middle of this continent. See here, this is the African continent. To the east lies the Indian Ocean, to the west Atlantic Ocean, to the north Mediterranean Sea. To the east Indian Ocean, to the west Atlantic Ocean, to the north Mediterranean Sea. Now this is the equator, that is the line that passes through the middle of this continent. The equator, that line that passes through the middle of this continent. Above the equator is northern hemisphere, below the equator is southern hemisphere. Above the equator northern hemisphere, below the equator is southern hemisphere. The world's largest hot desert is Sahara Desert. The world's largest hot desert, the Sahara Desert, is located in Africa. The river Nile. Nile is the longest river in the world, children. Nile is the longest river in the world. The length of this Nile river is 6,650 kilometers. And the Mount Kilimanjaro, the highest mountain in Africa. This is the Mount Kilimanjaro. This is the highest peak in Africa. It is not only the tallest peak, but also the world's tallest freestanding mountain. It is not only the Africa's tallest peak, but also the world's tallest free outstanding mountain. Its height is 5,895 meters above the sea level. Above the sea level, this height is how much, children? 5,895 meters above the sea level are also found in this continent. Children, North America. North America is the third largest continent. Which is the first largest continent? Asia. Second one is Africa. Third one is North America. North America is the third largest continent. It was discovered by the Christopher Columbus. Who was he, children? Discovered by Christopher Columbus. He was an Italian explorer and navigator who completed 4 voyages across the Atlantic Ocean. He wrote some books also, children. They were the 4 voyages, Christopher Privileges, Christopher Letters, etc. Accidentally, while trying to reach India, it is connected to the South America by a narrow stretch of land called the isthmus. What do you mean by isthmus? A narrow strip of land that connects 2 land areas. What do you mean by isthmus, children? ISDHMUS. Isthmus means a narrow strip of land that connects 2 land areas of Panama. This continent is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean in the east, Arctic Ocean in the north, and the Pacific Ocean in the west. High mountains. See here, children, this is the North America. In this North America, it is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean in the east. To the east, it is Atlantic Ocean, and then to the north, it is Pacific Ocean, and to the west, Pacific Ocean towards the west. And we have the high mountains such as the Rockies, and a group of 5 freshwater lakes. Group of 5 freshwater lakes is known as Great Lakes. What is the 5 freshwater lakes, children? The first 5 water Great Lakes were Superior Lake, Lake Huron, Lake Michigan, Lake Erie, and Lake Ontario, or the Great 5 Lakes, are found in this continent. Then many advanced countries of the world such as the United States of America and Canada are found here. This is the Rocky Mountains that is found in North America. South America is the fourth largest continent. Asia is the first largest continent. Africa is the second largest continent. North America is the third largest continent. And South America is the fourth largest continent. South America is the which largest continent? South America is the fourth largest continent. Most parts of this continent lie in the southern hemisphere. Most parts of this continent lie in the southern hemisphere. The Great Amazon River and the Amazon rainforest are found here. This is the Amazon River. This is the Amazon River that lies in the where children in South America. South America. This rainforest 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 rainforest. What do you mean by rainforest? A dense forest found in areas with heavy rainfall. A dense forest. See here in this picture, dense forest means everywhere, very thickly, everywhere we can see the forest only here, everywhere. Not we cannot see any gap here and all fully covered with the forest. So this is a dense forest means very thick forest found in areas with heavy rainfall and are found here. And Andes, a range of mountains, lie in the western part of this continent. Andes means a range of mountains are the longest continental mountain range in the world, and it extends from north to south through the 7 South American countries. It extends from 7 South American countries. Look at this one. This is the South America. This one is South America. It most probably lies in the southern hemisphere. This is the equator. Above the equator it is northern hemisphere. Below the equator it is southern hemisphere. Above it is northern hemisphere. Below it is southern hemisphere. The South America lies mostly in the southern hemisphere. North America lies mostly in the northern hemisphere. South America lies mostly in the southern hemisphere. I hope you understand, children.